Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best SD card readers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have UGREEN SD Card Reader. This UGREEN USB 3.0 micro SD card reader supports up to 5 gigabits per second data transmission speed with the USB 3.0 port, which is 10x faster than the USB 2.0 version. It will save you a lot of time from data transfer. This SD card adapter is also backward compatible with the USB 2.0 port. The UGREEN 4-in-1 SD card reader is designed with a super mini size, which you can put in your briefcase or pocket and use anywhere. The UGREEN USB memory card reader is designed with SDDFCF and MS4 card slots, and supports reading and writing 4 different memory cards at the same time. At number 6 we have suntrsi SD Card Reader. The SD card reader adds a charging port to its design. When you use an SD card adapter to charge your iPhone/iPad devices, you can enjoy charging while transferring file data. This high-speed to-weight transmission allows you to save a lot of waiting time. This micro SD card reader provides intelligent file viewing and management functions. That's allowing you to easily manage data between iPhone, iPad, Android computer and other devices. The slim and sleek keychain design allows the SD card reader to be placed into your pocket. At number 5 we have Kingwin SD Card Reader. This computer components are designed for optimal performance and high-quality multifunctional purposes. This lightning speed USB 3.0 hub and SD card reader writer capabilities outperform the rest. It supports super speed USB 3.0 up to 5 gigabits per second bandwidth with 3 front accessible USB Type-A ports. The 1 front accessible USB Type-C port, 1 front accessible eSATA port and all-in-one high-speed card reader. The high-speed card reader is compatible with most popular formats of flash media on the market. At number 4 we have suntrsi SD Card Reader. The SD card reader compatible with SD and micro SD memory card. That support all iPhone with iOS 9.2 and up and iPads with iOS 8.0 or later. It's easily download photos or videos from SD cards directly to the iPhone or iPad, and share videos or photos with friends and relatives anytime and anywhere. The SD card reader for iPhone data transmission speed can reach 20 megabytes s to 30 megabytes s. The memory SD card reader for iPhone can transmit photos and videos of your camera to your device in a few seconds, saving a lot of time. You don't need a computer as a medium or install any applications when you use the memory card reader. At number 3 we have BoneView SD Card Reader. It is designed specifically for hunters to instantly view, save, share and delete your trail camera pictures and videos with your smartphone or tablet. No extra apps required and still able to quickly swipe through and save thousands of photos, or play most video files with super fast transfer speeds. At number 2 we have qyuiasle SD Card Reader. The SD card reader for iPhone supports two-way transfer from SD card to iPhone or iPhone to SD memory cards. The iPhone SD card adapter is compatible with SD, SDHC, SDXC, micro SDXC and micro SDHC memory cards. The SD card reader supports standard photo formats including JPEG, RAW and 4K video formats including H.264 and MPEG-4. The blistering fast transfer speed ensures high-speed syncing for RAW photos, 4K videos and more. The SD card reader does not require third-party apps, uses the iOS built-in Files app and supports Play videos. At number 1 we have suntrsi SD Card Reader. The SD/micro SD card reader support all iPhone with iOS 8.0 and up, and iPads with iOS 8.0 or later /OTG Android phone/computer and other devices with USB port. This maximum support memory card capacity 400 gigabytes. Its super speed and high capacity allow you to manage all your data and files directly on this iPhone SD card reader, and to share the beautiful moments of your journey with your best friends or on social networking sites in real time. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best SD card readers for your need.